Hi guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you my recent online purchase from Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini in monogram print. I scored this beauty online last week and it just came yesterday. I wanted to share with you the unboxing, how it looks like, and what time I scored this beauty because it is also considered as hard to get bags from Louis Vuitton. So let's see. So guys, this is the close-up look of the Palm Springs Mini. It has gold hardware that has an exposed zipper. This is the new version of the Palm Springs Mini. Before, it used to be like tucked into the canvas like that, and some people are having a problem opening and closing their backpacks because the zipper is always in the way when you open the backpack like that. The zipper gets caught into the canvas. So now that this new version has an exposed zipper, it is much easier for you to open and close the bag. I'm not gonna lie that Louis Vuitton has one of the best quality zippers that I've ever experienced in any luxury design handbags. So I really commend them for having a very good quality zippers, either be it in SLGs or their regular bags. So this one also has a zipper, but it is too small that you cannot even get into it. Maybe you could put a little bit of like keys or anything small, but I don't think the key clay will fit in there. So, but still the zipper runs smooth. Hardware has a LV embossed in each zipper. It only has two zippers, this one and this. Also, the handle is a black leather handle, 4 gold plated D-rings. It has no side pockets. This is all stitched up, and when you open it, it has a black textile fabric and 1 slit pocket inside. No zipper or whatsoever. Looks like this mini backpack is a spacious bag itself because it has a good amount of space in there. The back of the bag feels like has a foam in it for comfort, and also the bottom of the bag feels like has a foam in it. This one is what they call like a scarf holder. Okay guys, so I will show you how I fixed the straps for the Palm Springs Mini. So what I did is, if you would have noticed that the straps came in with the 2 long ones and also 2 short straps. So for the other strap, I already connected them together. The long strap and the short strap, I already connected them. I will show you how I did it. So you get the long strap right here, and this is the short strap. So you put them together, and according to your preference on how long or short you want it to be, it has like 8 holes in it with a slit. If you will see that, it has 8 holes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and a hook or a prong that goes into the holes. And also the short strap has also 8 holes with slits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and a prong. So we will connect this two by, it's according to the preference on how long you want it to be. So I'll just snap it like that. So when it's new, it is really tight. It feels really tight when the straps are still new. And then this one, there you go. So if you will see, the first one is like that, and the second hook is like that. All right, so we already did that. And also there's like a holder for the strap not to move around. Okay, so that's the second strap already. We're gonna put them into the D-rings of the bag. So just hook it like that, and the other one, the other end at the bottom D-ring. There you go. And also the other one here. So guys, now that I've showed you how I put the straps as a backpack, now I will show you how I will make this mini backpack as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag by removing one strap in a D-ring, and also this at the bottom D-ring. Alright, now that it only has one strap that is hooked, we're gonna remove this one and put it at the top D-ring. So this way you could make it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So another way of making this as a crossbody bag, aside from putting both hooks on the top D-ring, is by removing this one hook and put it on the opposite bottom D-ring. So that's also one way of making it as a crossbody. So this bag is really cute. I was surprised when I opened the box how small it is, but let's give it a chance, and it looks very nice and good quality. I don't see any stitches that are off, and also what I noticed is that the Louis Vuitton, you see, it's not so deep as the other Louis Vuitton embossed on a leather tab. So it's very faint. You would barely see it. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of my brand new Palm Springs mini backpack in monogram print. I will use this as an everyday bag. I am a fan of a No Vaqueta bag, so this will work for me, and I'll keep you posted on the wear and tear of this bag, how it holds up and what fits in it. Thank you for watching.